What up, STEM kids? How we doing? Hope you guys had an awesome day today. I'm just going to run through the lab real quick and then tell you what I need you to get done today. Um, so what we did in class, you filled out this. You typed out what you thought scientists did to go through the scientific process, how they solve a problem. You filled out the components that you used when you were trying to light your battery. You said yes and these, or you said no, either one works. And you told me how you set that up in a lot of detail for your observations, right? I should be able to look at your observation and be able to set it up exactly how you set it up, okay? If you didn't get that screenshot in, make sure you add a screenshot of the working pathway. We did a turn-in talk, so make sure you wrote down what your partner said. I know some of you couldn't get it done, so you tried your best. If you couldn't get it done, just send me an email, say that, hey, we had some tech issues with my partner, we couldn't really finish it. That's okay, all right? Then the last one, I need to add one more. The last one was the end all, the goal for the day. This is what I wanted you to know. The variety of methods to solve a problem, right? In the beginning, we talked about the scientific process. We thought it was like one narrow thing where it's like question, hypothesis, experiment, collect data, revise, keep doing it, right? Just one narrow street. We learned that we all lit up a light bulb in different ways. So there's a variety of methods, right? The next thing that we talked about was how did we get to from where we started to where we ended, where we only had a simple setup and then we had a crazy setup, was that we looked back at our data and we revised our ideas in light of the new evidence that we learned as we were working, right? And the last thing, the most important thing, was how did we even collect that data? It was through empirical evidence. What does that mean? Evidence that we see through our five senses, so evidence that we smell, evidence that we can feel, evidence that, sometimes you can taste it, right? Evidence that you can hear, okay? What I would like you to do for class today is complete this chart, okay? So just follow the steps. Make the bulb brighter. Same thing as the last chart. Be as specific as you can. Be as specific as you can, right? How can you make the bulb brighter? How can you change the direction of the current? And how can you turn off the bulb without pausing the current, okay? So think about some items that you can use to turn on and off the bulb, okay? That's my hint for you, okay? Number 8. I don't want you to worry about this because we're asynchronous, so I'm going to say don't do number 8. That's not going to be due. And then number 9, I would like you to answer these questions in this box right here, okay? So let me just review. Answer these questions in this box. Do not worry about number 8. Fill out this chart like you did in class. And then this should be completed. This should be completed unless you tell me otherwise that you had tech issues with your partner. This should be completed. This should be completed. And so should this, okay? It's due at the end of class. I'm going to type out a step-by-step for the things that you need to have done. Hope you guys had an awesome day today. Our next live class is on Wednesday, so that's crazy, but I hope you guys have a good Memorial weekend, or it's Labor Day. Hope you guys have a good Labor Day weekend, right? I'll see you on Wednesday.